One of the reasons a lot of these real estate gurus are getting in trouble is they'll say, hey, let me help you guys get $100,000 a piece in credit and then bring your money to me and let me invest it. See, I don't want people to have a control over my outcome versus me saying, hey, let me help you get $100,000 a piece, but then I'm gonna show you how to put it out there and facilitate your own deals. Right. Hey, this is what to look for. This is how you calculate, you know.
Have you ever partnered with anybody on that? Like, have you ever said, like, someone took your course and they say, hey, I want you to be a part of this deal, and you believe
not in the
deal?
beginning, no.
Not in the beginning.
Because I don't want them to feel like, one, I'm trying to control their scenario, and two, I don't want their initial success to be predicated on me.
Right.
I want to teach you how to fish first, because there's going to be pitfalls in business. And because a lot of the times when people are new in business, their emotional intelligence is low. So if I do something that doesn't go accordingly, and it doesn't mean that the deal is a bust, it just may not work out immediately. I don't want you saying, well, Will stole my money. No, I'll teach you what to look for, and you go figure it out yourself. And then once you get some skin in the game, you get some experience, then maybe we can do a deal together. But I typically only do short-term deals with people because I don't want to lock their money up.